Got 12 down there at the wheelie spot. The 12 tripping?
Yeah, they just tripping. They don't want nobody over there in the field. They got more people coming, so all they finna do is just come try to. They might try to impound. They done did it before.
For real?
Yeah, they'll try to impound. So.
Well, that means I'll take my ass right back home, man. Fuck it.
Alright.
Hey, my name's Woody, bro.
Woody?
Yeah.
They probably gonna ride still, but they gonna probably go up in the trails.
Dang. Oh, yeah, I don't ride trails. I mean, I will, but you know what I'm saying? I'd rather ride the street, man.
I got you.
Damn, bro, I've been hearing everybody from my house. I finally make it out here now. They tripping. How many of them down there?
Yeah, right now I think it's 4. Like,
Yeah.
They came out of nowhere. They came the dirt road way. Normally they'll come on the road.
They got trucks?
Got one truck, but he say he got more coming. I go, first thing you say, I can arrest anybody that's on the other side of that sign. I go, shit, that's my
Golly, they tripping. All right, brother. God bless, bro. Merry Christmas, brother. Man, they tripping. Everybody tripping. I guess I ain't gonna have no fun out here. We gotta go home. That's 12 tripping. Dang, I finally make it outside. This is what I come to. I'll probably just go back home, bro. Huh? One Wheel Woody. Y'all have a good one. Merry Christmas, y'all. God bless. I'll take my ass home before they get all the police out here. Oh well. Dang, they out here just trying to mess up everybody Christmas, man. They all mad they gotta work on Christmas, I bet. Woo!